Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about cooking oils in Chinese cuisine, especially what kind of cooking oil I use for frying. I was asked sometimes what are the best cooking oils for frying in Chinese cuisine. There are a lot of stir frying in Chinese cuisine. Restaurants and homes most use seed oils such as canola oils or soy oil because they are widely available and very cheap. I generally try to avoid seed oil such as soy or canola oil in home cooking since they are probably non-organic, GMO, and having some negative health effect such as causing or worsening inflammation. Most soy and canola oil are derived from GMO produced and chemically extracted with solvents. So over the years, I have been constantly searching for the best cooking oils I can buy for home cooking. So what are they? Well, in a home cooking setting, I try not to heat the oil to its smoke points. Normally only 50 to 80% to the smoke point as a rule. When stir frying food, I mostly use avocado oil, as you can see here. So this is the avocado oil. I bought it from Costco. Avocado oil has a higher smoking point of 520 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is very good when you have to stir frying something with high heat. Also, I use coconut oil as well. It also comes from Costco. Some people may not like coconut smell it comes with. Personally, I don't have any issue with it. So this normally is kind of solid, as you can see from here. Here inside is solid. So avocado oil and coconut oil that I use most often when I stir fry stuff. If you have to use a lot of oil for deep frying, a cheaper option is a cold pressed canola oil, as you can see from here. This canola oil is from Trader Joe's and it says expeller pressed, no solvents used. I do use this Trader Joe brand of expeller pressed canola oil when I have to use a lot for deep frying. Canola oil have a smoke point of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not really high. But again, try not to heat the oil to its smoke point. Always kind of like 50 to 80% toward its smoke point. For any other scenario, I use olive oil extensively in my cooking. With lower smoking point of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, olive oil is my general pick whenever a high oil temperature is not required. But there's so many different brands of olive oil in the market. So how to pick the best one? Well, just pick the ones with the following features normally. Usually it says extra virgin single source. I always buy single source olive oil. So like this says 100% California, 100% California, and this is California grown. And also it shows organic, non-GMO source. It's cold pressed. A lot of oil in the market claim to be olive oil, but some even say up to 80% of so-called olive oil are not a pure olive oil. They are mixed up with other type of oil, such as canola oil. So just buy reputable brand. For me, California Olive Ranch is a brand I trust. And also there's a store brand for Albertsons, organic. As for the sources, usually you try to read the label. If it said 100% California or a single source from Italy or Spain, sealed in dark glass bottle. Also, you read the date. They have a fresher manufacturing date mark. That'd be better. So these are the brands I'm currently using. In very rare occasions in Chinese cooking, also I use sesame oil like this one. Japan produces a very good high quality sesame oil. The use case for sesame oil usually is after you prepare the dish or in a soup. You put in a little bit. So not a main source of oil, but occasionally I do use that. So in summary, for cooking over high heat, I use avocado oil, canola oil, all organic, non-GMO. For deep frying, I use canola oil, cold pressed or expeller pressed. And for everything else, I use 100% California olive oil, extra virgin cold pressed organic. For occasional use, especially in soups or steamed food, I use Japanese sesame oil. Sesame oil have a smoke point of 350 degree Fahrenheit, so really low. At the same time, I also save up lard or tallow from regular beef or pork cooking. Beef tallow has a high smoking point for 80 degree Fahrenheit. Lard has a smoking point of 375. So those are very good oil for traditional Chinese cooking. So that's just the oil I have been using and stick to. I'd love to hear what kind of oils you use in your home cookings. All right. Thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.